Hello guys. Hello guys everyone. Good afternoon. Today it's road test time. So samahan nyo kami, magro-road test kami sa isang Silverado na 2018 model na ang problema ay yung tinatawag na engine for power and also the transmission jerking. Okay guys? So ito yung my friend is Naip. Oh, Naip.
Hi.
Okay. Let's say hi for everyone.
Hi everyone.
And
Kamusta kakabayan?
so where we're going, Naip?
Go road test with Kuya Paul.
We're going test. How long?
1 hour, 2 hour.
1 hour, 2 hour maximum. My God. It is Thursday today. So we have to go back early
Ah.
before our time is finished.
Sige na Kuya, sige, wala
Okay,
problema.
let's go. So let's go guys. See my hair now? See? Too much with all. You with bro? See? This is Mr. Naip Salah, the quality control of Universal Motor Agency.
24 years.
Wow, 24 years. Keep on talking, bro.
24 years you work for UMA.
Oh my God. Okay, bro. Okay.
Okay, sige, salamat. Bye-bye.
Okay, guys. Now we are on the way now. We are on the way of the King Road. So Malik Road. Call it Malik Road. So guys, look, see. I'll show you guys. Yan guys, Malik Road. Oh, there's an accident here. Stop.
Opo.
Accident.
Hello?
Oh. Another accident. So this is the Malik Road, guys. So we are now we are on the way now. So this is the way of Malik Road.
In the camera Kuya.
Ha?
Camera.
Kamera, oh.
Yun no?
Wala sa kaliwalit kamera. Putangin na yun, with the camera, guys. Bro. Ang laki ng ano, bro.
No.
Baso.
Opo. Sa baho.
bro, sa gilid.
May problema
Sa
kuya.
kubas, oh.
Oo.
Ito yung ginagamit, oh. Ang daming plug, oh.
Hmm.
Daming plug, bro. Just wake me up po. I'm going to sleep, bro.
Engine cut off, what you did for this one, boy?
Hindi ka to po. So,
Ha?
guys. It's written in the job card, bro. Radiator coolant contamination. Okay. Engine cut off sometimes. And service light on. So, okay guys, ito yung concern, guys. So,
Engine
yan.
light on meron ha?
Ha?
Engine light on meron.
Lumabas na?
Hmm.
Patay na.
Come back.
Okay guys. Now continue. No problem. Just road trip. road trip. Road trip. Road trip guys. Robayat. Ganda ng mga ano niyo. I thought you're hungry, bro. You're going to pass with the so you can buy to eat, right?
You come back. When
Yeah.
we'll go there.
Yes, you can buy sandwich or what you like, right?
Minimum ko.
Okay, bro. Bro, say hi, bro, to your fans, bro.
Opo.
Opo, speak Tagalog, bro.
Tagalog ah?
Tagalog. You've been before in the Philippines, right, bro?
Opo.
Where do you stay?
Before 3 years, I will go to Philippines.
Where you stay?
I stay for Makati.
Makati. To whom?
To my boss,
Bus.
si Tariq Al-Saidi.
Tagal Saidi.
And the second time I will go with Kuya Iran. I stay
Iran,
for
yes.
Manila.
Yes. Then?
And nice the beauty for the Philippines, nice the people also there. For the airport also the people.
So do you like to stay in the Philippines?
Opo.
You want to marry Filipina?
Sige, wala problema kuya. When you
Maybe
have
your
no
wife will gonna
problem,
kill you.
wala problema.
But you allowed to marry the another one?
No problem.
Oh, it's allowed to your religion?
No problem.
Your wife, they will not get mad with you?
Wife.
They will
wife,
not file against you?
The wife will like it for me. I will like to him.
Really?
Yeah, I don't like another wife.
So
Only
when
one
you're
wife.
going to visit in the Philippines?
The Philippines only I will go see the beauty for the Philippines because the beauty is nice. Same to Kuala Lumpur, Manila.
Wow.
Yeah, it's nice the beauty.
So what place
And
you're going
the
to already?
beach, and the beach.
In which place?
Boracay.
You go Boracay?
Yeah, beach Boracay is nice, nice.
Uh-huh. Okay, so do you want to go back to the Philippines again?
Oh, you want to see again the beauty for the Philippines.
So how long you're going to stay?
Maximum 1 month.
1 month.
Opo.
After the pandemic, maybe you file vacation?
Opo.
That's good. So I'll see you in the Philippines, huh?
Okay, sir. Wala
Okay.
problema.
So now we're going to see if the car is already now the problem is gone, solved. So in what, the same street, this one, Malik Road, bro?
Opo.
Wow, it's nice, bro. It's big building. But before it's not like this before.
Yeah.
It's already
Changed.
it's already changed now.
Opo.
It's a big building also. You can pass it here. See.
Jet ski, you know, for the...
Jet ski.
Mm.
Maybe how much the price for jet ski, bro? Do you have any idea?
For the very cheap for this one, I think in 55.
51,000?
Opo.
Just like the price of the car.
Yeah.
Uh-huh.
And the bigger one, I think in 1 million.
Wow! My God.
Opo.
But it's very hard to use that one here because they will not allow. Yeah, they will not allow us, right?
Mm.
Okay. Yeah, use that one. Use the bongbong. Fiat. Maybe the police, oh. Probably. Maybe the police will catch you. Huh?
Hindi, wala problema po yan.
Huh?
Wala problema.
They will allow you?
Mm.
No, they will not allow to use that one, you know. Ah, just like horn, right?
Opo.
Yes. I thought the only police will use that wang.
Mm.
Police horn, see. Saudi Arabia, it's a big place, bro. It's a big building. Oh, maybe how many towers this one? See?
More than kuya.
Yeah, big. That's 50 or more than that. This is the
More.
biggest building, huh?
More than kuya.
That one? Oh, very big, oh. I heard that there is also here one ano? How many floor? 100 floor there is or 50 floor? There is here? There is?
Yeah.
Oh, he make it that one. It's too big. Long.
This for the Red Sea Mall kuya.
Yeah, Red Sea Mall.
Red Sea
See,
Mall.
Red Sea Mall.
Yeah. It's bigger for that one. Same for the Manila.
Chima, Manila. Huh? Okay.
Raisha Mall.
Raisha Mall, yeah.
Opo.
There is new Fiat
Ah?
in front of us, oh, see? Fiat, new Fiat.
Opo.
See, new.
Yung kuya oh.
New Fiat.
Yung babae oh.
Eh, babae driver, oh.
Lula.
Lola. Lola o la Lula. There is also camera here, bro. You know where the plot put it?
Ah.
The camera. This is the Automall, huh? Automall.
Yes kuya.
Automall is finished now.
Nice building kuya.
Yes, nice building. Oh, there's a big globe, oh.
Oh.
We're going to pass there or just... Hmm? You want to go to the big globe? Go to the big globe, bro. Yes, bro. Go to the big globe. Oh. Take the picture. Guys, we are here on the big globe. We call this area is a big globe. See? Wow. Big globe. We are already in the big globe now. Yes.
Right side, King Abdulaziz
Yes.
Airport.
Wow, big globe, oh. Big globe, oh. Oh, big globe, bro. Wow. See? Call this area globe. Big globe. Okay. See, guys, oh. Big globe. Oh.
It's bigger for Jeddah.
Yeah. Big globe.
This is for Hayy al-Muhammadiyya Street.
What street, bro?
Hayy al-Muhammadiyya Street.
Ayam Bawa Street. Huh? Big globe. You can go take a picture there. Maybe that allowed. The police will catch. Big globe. Stop, guys. Guys, this is Russian Mall. Wow, ang galing ng Russian Mall. Oh. Russian Mall. Hybrid car, see? Hybrid car.
Lexus
Huh?
2020.
Yeah, the hybrid already. Oh. Coming already no hybrid. Solar that one, bro. Solar. Hybrid na. So there's engine light. Check.
Meron, no?
No, meron. Check. No. Engine light. So what we're going to do now? We leave the car. Or you have to take the car. a big building. Wow. So too much big building. It's a big building. Malaki bro. Malaki.
Simon kuya.
Red Simon. Red Simon kuya. After the pandemic bro, you go to the Philippines bro.
Sige, sige.
How many times you go in the Philippines bro? 2 times?
3.
3 times? Oh.
One time with Mr. Tariq Saidi, 2
Okay.
times with Kuya Iran.
Iran, huh? But on that time bro, only how many days only you stay? Because you go back
The
because
first time I stay 2 weeks because the father before he did the hospital ICU. And when I call my mother, he said the father is ICU. That's why I will come back for the Saudi Arabia, Jeddah.
yeah. You come back huh? You come back very quick.
Yeah. First I will go Jeddah, Dubai, Manila. When I come back, I come Saudi. Manila direct to Jeddah.
nang waiting. It's good, bro. Also the ton, bro. Give the bang. Yan bro, yan bro.
Enough, but this is for the comeback for UMA.
Yeah, okay.
Because the car is filled, engine light on. I will go again, come back for UMA. Exactly 10 minutes you arrive for UMA. Thank you, gentlemen. See you next time. Bye bye.
Bye bye. Okay guys, okay, 10 minutes nandoon na kami. So hanggang dito na lang yung aming pag-cover ng video. And God bless you all. Bye bye.